Life feels empty now. No thrill, no glory, just a dull existence. Back then, I lived like a true racer. Fast, fearless, and unstoppable. Money, trophies, the roar of the crowd. I had it all. But one mistake, one dirty deal, and it all came crashing down. That one bribe destroyed everything. My career, my reputation.
A championship-winning racer's victory is now tainted by scandal. Once a hero, now a villain. As a result, the disgraced racer faces a 10-year ban.
And now, I'm stuck in the ruins of what I used to be. But if I ever get a second chance, I'll rise again.
I'm tired of endless hard work, driving autos and buses with nothing to show for it. But one chance is all I need. I'll grab it, rise above, and build my dream life. A big house, luxury cars, and success on my terms.
Wait, what's that poster? Let me take a look. A race, and the prize is 500 million? This is my chance. I can win this and reclaim my luxury lifestyle. No doubt, I will win.
What's that poster on the wall? A race with a 500 million prize. This is it. My one shot to make my dream come true.
What's this, huh? Oh, a race with a 500 million prize. If I win, I'll build my own shopping mall. My beloved car, it's time. Let's take the victory.
I can't win this race in a rickshaw, but my bus, it's big and powerful. This will get me to victory.
Grand Prix race in your town. Bring any car, race to victory, and win $500 million.
Hey, this race was a great opportunity for some real fun. It was thrilling to watch and an absolute blast.
Right, brother.
A $500 million prize? Incredible. If I win this race, I'll invest in new tools for my fire department.
Time to win this race and build my very own taxi company.
Let's hit the track, take the win, and cash in big.
Welcome to the Grand Town Race. Now meet our fearless racers, Joe, fabulous shopkeeper, Sam, the strong trucker, Sid, the furious taxi driver, Leo, the lifesaver firefighter, and Max, the former world champion and a pro racer. Racers, take your positions. Three, two, one, go. The race is on. And they're off. The race has begun, and Max wastes no time. His experience shines as he takes the lead right from the start. A true pro in action.
No! Leo comes to a sudden stop in the middle of the race. But wait, he's rushing toward a fire. He's putting the race aside to save lives. A true hero on and off the track. But with this brave act, he's officially eliminated from the race.
The race may be over for him, but his mission is far greater. A true hero, a real lifesaver.
Unbelievable! Max loses his lead as the bus charges ahead, taking control of the race.
Buckle up your seatbelts because they're entering the jungle track, a path filled with dangers and unpredictable challenges.
Whoa! Look at Joe! Go! He's pushing his driving skills to the extreme, weaving through the jungle track with precision, overtaking one racer after another. This shopkeeper is proving he's got the heart of a true racer.
Whoa, this jungle track is anything but smooth. It's rough, shaky, and a real test of skill.
Oh my god! This track is the real deal. Wild, ruthless, and built for only the bravest racers. And guess what? I'm the bravest racer to ever live. This track is tough, but I'm tougher.
This track is pure hell for my bus's suspension. One wrong move and it's over. I need to cross this carefully. Skill over speed.
Come on, let's push it to the limit, overtake them all, and take the victory. This race is ours.
Oh no, my car is stuck. I need to think fast. How do I get out of this mess? Hey, help me to get out.
You're a grown-up now. Figure it out yourself. I'm not here to babysit, I'm here to win.
Oh, looks like a little baby got stuck in the mud. Can't handle the race? Better head home, buddy.
Oh ho, look at that. The race leader is now leading the way. To elimination. What a twist.
Look at this. All the racers have made it out of the jungle and are now speeding toward the narrow mountain roads. But Joe, he's still stuck in the mud, struggling to get back in the race.
He may be stuck in the mud, but he refuses to give up. Joe's fighting spirit is unshaken. He's determined to race till the end.
Oh no! This road is way too narrow. I can barely keep control. Oh, no! I'm going off the edge.
Help! Help!
Oh no! The truck goes off the cliff. Sam is in serious trouble. But here comes the sheriff, rushing in for the rescue, lifting him to safety. With that, Sam is officially eliminated from the race.
Help!
Stay calm, Sam. I'm here to help. I've called for a crane. They'll be here soon to lift you up. Just hold on. Hello, this is Sheriff. Hey, Tom, I need your crane ASAP. A truck has gone off the cliff, and only your crane can lift it. Can you get here fast?
Sure, Sheriff. I'm always ready to help. I'll be there in no time. Hey, Sheriff, I'm here to help. Let's get him out of there. Time for a rescue.
Easy does it, buddy. Pull him up slowly and carefully. We need to get him out safely.
Here's your truck, buddy. We got it back safe and sound. Good as new.
Thanks, Tom. I couldn't have made it out without you. I owe you one. Thanks, Sheriff. I couldn't have done it without you. I'll become the champion.
Hold your brakes, buddy. That truck's too damaged to continue. You can't race like this. You'll have to sit this one out and try again next year. You're officially eliminated.
Oh my God, a desert track. This is going to be brutal. Crossing it won't be easy.
Think, bro, think. While you figure it out, we'll be crossing the finish line.
No way, I won't let them take the win.
All the racers have made it to the desert track. They're pushing through with skill and speed. One by one, they're crossing it easily.
Oh no, I'm running on empty, completely out of fuel. I can't go any further.
Whoa, you're here, bro. For a second, I thought you were already crossing the finish line.
Come on, let's get out of here. Yes, I'm back in the race. Let's go.
Wow, look at that! Joe has finally broken free from the mud and is back in the race.
Oh ho! Looks like someone took a wrong turn and is completely lost.
Another racer is out of the competition. Let's get him back to the city safely.
Things are not good for Sid. He's completely out of fuel and stuck in the middle of the desert. This race is over for him.
Don't feel bad, buddy. You raced like a champ. Cheer up. I'll take you back to town.
I won't let you take this victory, Max. This race belongs to me, and I'll do whatever it takes to win, even if I have to play dirty. Wait, how did he get here? This is all your fault. If you had raced fairly instead of fighting me, I would have won this race with easily.
It's over now. Our cars are completely destroyed. There's nothing we can do.
And just like that, Max and the bus driver are out of the race. Joe, the last racer standing, crossing the finish line and claiming victory. Joe is the new Grand Prix Town Champion.
Joe has done it. He becomes the first ever Grand Prix Town Champion, claiming the massive $500 million prize. With his victory, he turns his dream into reality, building the town's biggest and most beautiful shopping mall. A true champion's